What if I told you that your life could look completely different just 90 days from now? Not because of luck, not because someone gave you money, and not because everything suddenly became easy, but because you finally decided to become intentional about your life, about everything that concerns you. Now, let's talk about this. 3 months may not be enough to become millionaire, right? To get everything that you want, but it's enough to become a different person. It is enough to build habits, launch a business idea, and develop valuable skills, improve your finances, and create momentum that changes your future. And that is what you need, right? That is what you need. Now, the biggest mistake people make is overestimating what they can achieve in 1 week and underestimating what they can actually achieve in the next 3 months. Smash the like button because we are going somewhere. We're going somewhere. Today, I'm going to show you a practical blueprint, right? You can start using immediately, right now, so you can shape your life in the next 90 days or in the next 3 months. Now, let's get into it. Number 1, get crystal clear about your dream. Now, most people don't fail because they lack talent, right? They fail because they lack clarity. And that is the major thing that is bringing people down. Now, instead of saying, I want to be successful, you ask successful in what area, successful in which aspect. Now, write one clear goal for the next 90 days. For example, you said, I want to launch my online business, right? Or I want to save my first $1,000 because generally, let's use dollars, right? Or I want to gain my first 10 clients. Clarity creates directions. Now, that takes us to step number 2. Break one big dream into small weekly wins, right? Big dreams can feel overwhelming. Now, instead of focusing on the mountain, focus on the next step. I'm understood. So if your dream is to start a business, week 1, research your market. Very, very important. Research your market, know what is going on in the market, know everything about the market. Now, week 2, create your brand. Now, week 3, you build your project. I'm understood. And week 4, you start selling. Now, small progress every week, right, eventually becomes massive success. And that is how a lot of people build wealth. Now, I want you to remember this. Small actions repeated consistently beat big actions done occasionally. And that takes us to step number 3. Now, become the person your dream requires. Many people want success, right, without changing themselves. And that's where a lot of things go wrong. You have to change yourself before you become successful. But success follows personal growth. I'm understood. Ask yourself, who do I need to become? Do I need more discipline, better communication, financial knowledge, all those things, leadership skills, and so on and that. And that is where you need to go. Start reading books. Start reading books. Drop your phone one side and start reading books. Watch educational videos. Find mentors. Practice every day. That's how to become successful. Step number 4, protect your time. Your future is built on how you spend today's hour. Successful entrepreneurs don't necessarily have more time than you. We all run the same 24 hours, right? Successful entrepreneurs simply waste less. If you want to build wealth, you want to grow in the next 3 months, reduce distraction, spend less time scrolling, spend more time in learning, building, and creating. Even 2 focus hours every day can completely transform your life within 3 months. Just 1 or 2 hours every day. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Now, let's get right into it. Time is your greatest investment. Spend it wisely. And that takes us to number 5. Learn a skill that solves problems. Money follows value. Am I understood? People don't pay you because you need money. They pay you for services. They pay you for what you can offer. They pay because you solve problems. Am I understood? Learn skills like digital marketing, sales, graphic design, video editing, copywriting, programming, IT, several kind of skills, trading, content creation, artificial intelligence. There are so many skills out there for you to learn. Am I understood? So many skills out there for you to learn. I just list this to just give you an input of what you can possibly do in the next 3 months, right? So you can even go learn furnitures, learn all those things, event planning and those things. The more problems you solve, the more opportunities come your way. And that takes us to number 6. Start before you feel ready. Perfection is one of the biggest dream killer. I'm understood. I want to feel perfect I want to be okay is the number one dream killer. So many people spend years preparing. Successful people start, and I want you to start now. Learn and improve along the way. Your first video won't be perfect. You can go down and watch my first videos. You'll see what I'm talking about. Your first business won't be perfect. Your first product won't be perfect either. Am I understood? And I want to tell you that is completely okay. That's nice. That is okay. That's fantastic, because you have to start from somewhere. Progress is always better than perfection. Number 7, build wealth. Don't just chase money. Now, making money is very, very important. Keeping and growing it is even more important. So whenever you earn, I want you to save something, invest something, and reinvest into your business. Am I understood? Now, avoid spending everything just to impress people, because you know where you're going to. Now, real wealth is built through consistency, not flashy lifestyle. Think long term. And that takes us to number 8. Take consistency even when results are slow. This is where most people quit. And I almost quit. Seriously, sometimes they work hard for 2 weeks, nothing happens, then they give up. Success often becomes visible only after months of invisible effort. I want you to keep showing up, keep learning, keep improving. Momentum is built one day at a time. Never let temporary disappointment stop permanent success. I'm understood? That takes us to step number 9. You say, how I'm cutting it short. I hope you're possibly getting something, and I hope you're writing something down. Surround yourself with a good environment. Your environment shapes your mindset. The place you live, where you are, people you engage with, shape your mindset. Now, spend time with people who inspire you. I'm understood now. Listen to podcasts, read books, join business communities, follow people who educate instead of entertain. The voice around you eventually become the thoughts inside you. Choose wisely. Number 10, review every week, every Sunday. Ask yourself, what did I accomplish? What mistake did I make? What should I improve? What is my focus next week? Now, successful people or successful entrepreneurs don't guess, right? They review, they adjust, then they move forward for the next 3 months. Every morning, review your goals. Every day, complete your most important tasks before doing anything else. Am I understood? Every evening, read or learn something new. It's very, very important. Every week, measure your progress. Am I understood? Every month, improve your strategy, because that is where the pattern depends on to succeed. I'm understood. Repeat these 90 days. You will be amazed at how much your life changes. Now, I want to tell you this. Your dream is possible. You can get there. You can achieve it, right? But it won't happen by wishing. It happens through daily discipline, through uncomfortable growth. Am I understood? Through learning, through actions like that. That's how you do dream life. And through refusing to quit, because a lot of people quit on time. 3 months from today, you'll either be thankful you started today, or you will wish you had. The choice is yours. If you are serious about building wealth, growing as an entrepreneur, and becoming the best version of yourself, start today. Don't wait for the perfect time, because the perfect time you have is actually now. One decision, one action, one day at a time. Your future is being built by what you choose to do today. If you find value in this video, I want you to encourage me, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, because this video needs to get to a lot of people, right? Because in this place, we talk about personal growth, entrepreneurship, and trading, financial education, and building lasting wealth. Now, share this video with someone who needs motivation to take the first step. I will see you next time. If you have anything in mind, drop it at the comment section. Definitely, I will respond to each and every one of you. So see you guys at the comment section. Peace.